What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am your girl Tonyanicole, and welcome to this bonus video for that ass boo. As y'all know, I only went down, well, I've gone down to just once a week, and I have been loving it. Only thing is, I'm not able to get to the comments. I thought it would be easier. But girl, with this job, but I will be answering all comments. Y'all know I don't leave my people on red. Today, guys, we're doing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag for the month of February. This is a little late. I'm late to the party, baby. But guess what? Better late than never, right? So if you want to see what I got in PR from Ipsy, please stay tuned because it's starting now. Oh, girl, wait. I know you're going to like, share, and subscribe, right? It is very free. Thank you. Okay, just to get the elephant out the room, I filmed this video look. It's probably going to be up in March, probably the first Wednesday in March, so be on the lookout for it. We're giving glam, well, we're giving vampy, goth, sexy vibes today, boo. Y'all see it. All right, so Ipsy does send this to me every month in PR, and I am waiting currently on my Ipsy Glam Bag X. This is gonna be very quick, guys. This is like a speed unboxing. So this is what the box looks like, and inside I have the Glam Bag, and plus, naturally, I didn't go through and separate anything, but I'm gonna pull the Glam Bag out first. Here is the card. It says Ipsy Full Hearts. That's the theme for the month. So this bag here, guys, is $13 a month. You get 5 deluxe sample or full-size products in here. And the Glam Bag has been one of my favorites. The bag for this month is just in the theme of Valentine's Day. So we're gonna, y'all, I'm telling you, this is gonna be a very, very, very super fast unboxing. So buckle up and let's pull out. So first thing up in here is the Roller Lash from Benefit. It is a black mascara. I have hundreds of these, guys, and I do enjoy getting them because most of them are really good. That's what it looks like, and this is the wand on it. Very nice. I love it, love it, love it. So we got a little baby mascara. And then we have from Context, this right here, which I think is a lipstick. Well, let's open her and see what it could be. Once we take the plastic off, it's actually in a black tube. And this is the shade right here. It's very, very, very pretty. I'm not going to swatch it because I will be putting this into a future giveaway for one of you guys. Then we have, from MAC, this is the Fix Plus spray. Okay. All right, let's see. If you already got your Glam Bag R Plus, please let me know if some of these products was in it. This is what it looks like, a little bitty baby thing. How much you get in here? 0.17 fluid ounce. I used to use Fix Plus constantly. Like, that was my holy grail, and it did nothing for my skin. So I don't know why I even used it. Next up, we have from Gold Fat and MD. This is the Radical Difference Antioxidant Serum. Sorry that it's so, there we go. We get this often in Ipsy. And then our last product comes from GoTo. And this is the Removalist. I can't even see this. Something clay and zinc. It's a face mask. So that is that right there. So we got these 5 products for the Glam Bag for the month of February. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm sorry that I'm speeding through this, guys, but I'm already late in the month and y'all probably already seen 1,000 of these. Now we're gonna go to the Glam Bag Plus, which is $28 a month now. You get 5 full-size beauty products. I'm gonna have to find a retail overall value of the box. This is the little bag here for the month, a nice little sack with hearts on it. First up, we get from Biro, and this is the Fig Renewal Oil. Now, in the last month, I think my last BoxyCharm, I got one of these. I got it in Ipsy. I don't remember, but I have like 3 of them. So, oops. Girl, something just be knocking shit out of my hand. This is how it looks, guys. And in here you get, I don't know how much, but I do love, 0.67 ounces. I do love Byro's products. They are very pricey, but for the most part, they leave your skin feeling really nice. And this is the Fig Renewal Oil here. Up next, we have a brush set from, oh God, Firma. And it's 3 eye brushes. Oh, they're cute brushes. I could use these. So then we have a little pointer brush here, a liner brush, and like an angled brush. I hope you guys are able to see that. So we get 3 brushes. I love brushes, y'all know that. We have from Beauty For Real these 2 products here. I don't know if this is a lip liner or eyeliner. I think it's eyeliners. Gel eyeliner. So one is in the shade Night Fever. The other one is in Heaven's Door. So here is Night Fever. Just a nice black color. It does have like a little glitter specks in it. And then the other one is Heaven's Door, which is a nice nude color. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a pinky nude color. All right, so I could definitely use these. I love a light, bright under eye, so that's a plus. All right, so from Yensa, the Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream plus 8 Power Pink Essence right here. And this is a lotion that's rich in antioxidants with anti-inflammatory benefits, hydrates to visibly plump and restore bounce to your skin. I'm sorry. You get 50 milliliters of product in here, guys. It probably have a seal. It does. I won't open it, but I'll give it a try. I've used their products before and I actually really did like it. So I'm cool with this. And then last but not least, we have a palette. And this is from Persephone? Girl, I don't know how to say that. There we go right there. And let's see what it looks like. It's a beautiful package. I hope the inside really matches the outside packaging because it's gorgeous. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Gorgeous. Ah, and we get a mirror. Hey, beauty. Girl, look at this palette. Wow. Now this is beautiful. I absolutely love this. You get glitter shades, well, pressed glitter. You get metallic shades. I think you get maybe 2 matte shades and a couple shimmer shades. It is beautiful. Love the color story. Love the palette. Very, very pretty. And the packaging on the outside is gorgeous. All right, so that was all we got in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. These 5 items right here. Overall, for the Glam Bag, it was okay. The Plus was okay. You got 2 makeup products, 2 skincare products, and some brushes. It was okay. Mind-blowing, no, but not terribly bad. I'm waiting on this Ipsy X so I could see what that's working with. The only thing, well, I'm not going to tell y'all what I'm excited about because it's going to give it away. But yeah, that's all that I have, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick bonus unboxing video. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel, follow all of my social media. It all will be linked down below, as well as the link to Ipsy if you guys want to sign up. So yeah, we're waiting for the Glam Bag X. As soon as I get that, I will pump it out. But in the meantime, every Wednesday I do upload makeup videos. So now I'm gonna go off and record, I think I'm gonna do a hooker red lip thing first. I don't know, but you guys be blessed, stay safe and healthy. I will see you in the comments and on my next video. Love you guys. Every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bye.